Good morning. Today we are going to continue our previous lesson, which is about hundreds. In this video, we are going to discuss the following main points: numbers chart, before and after, comparing, putting in order, counting by tens, and what are the 4 steps to solve a problem. At the beginning, let's see the numbers from 101 till 200 in this chart. They are like the numbers from 1 till 100, but with an extra digit, which is the hundreds digit. So please pause the video and count by yourself from 101 till 200. Don't cheat. As you know, before means I move to the back, while after means I move to the front. We are going to write the numbers that come before and after 159. First, I look at the tens and the ones. It's 59. So what is the number that comes before 59? It's 58. And after it, it's 60. Now I copy the 1, which is in the hundreds digit, as it is because it didn't change. So I write 1 here and 1 here. What if I have 200? As I did before, I look at the tens and the ones digit. It's 0. Uh-oh, what can the 0 do? It's going to ask for help from the hundreds digit, which is 2. The 2 is going to give them 1, which is actually a 100 because it's in the hundreds place. So instead of the 2 zeros, we are going to deal with a 100. Now I ask myself, what is the number before 100? It's 99. And since the 2 lost 1 that was given to the tens and the ones, it becomes 1. So the number before 200 is 199. The number after it, I look at the 2 zeros also. What's the number after 0? It's 1. And the 2 stays as it is. Don't forget that before 100 we have 99 and after it we have 101. These signs remind you with the crocodile that eats big numbers. If you have 2 digits number and a 3 digits number, the crocodile will directly eat the 3 digits number since it's bigger. If you have 145 and 193, both numbers start with the same digit, which is 1. So I look directly at the second digit. Here it's 4 and here it's 9, so the crocodile will eat the 9. 158 and 154, both numbers start with the same digit, which is 1. Uh-oh, but also the second digit is the same. So I look at the third digit. Here I have 8 and here I have 4. So the crocodile, of course, will eat the 8. Now we are going to put the following numbers in order from the smallest to the greatest. As you see, 73 is the only number of 2 digits. So it's going to be the smallest number. I write it first and I cross it out. Now, as you can see, all these numbers start with the same digit, which is 1. Of course, I cannot know which one is the smallest, so I look at the second digit. Here it's 2, here it's 8, here it's 6, and here it's 4. Now you are going to tell me which number is the smallest. Of course, it's the 2, so I write 126 and I cross it out. Now, 8, 6, or 4 is the smallest. Of course, it's the 4, so I write 147 and I cross it out. 8 or 6 is the smallest. It's 6, so I write 161 and I cross it out. And finally, 180 is left, so I write 180 in the last blank. The same concept is applied for ordering from greatest to smallest, but you should start with the greatest number first. As you know, there are 2 main rules for skipping 10. The first is that the ones digit doesn't change at all, and since we are skipping 10, only the tens digit will change. Now let's remember what are the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. As you can see, the ones digit, which is 0, is not changing, while the tens digit changes only. If I want to skip 10 in hundreds, the same rules are applied, but I only add 100 or a 1 in the hundreds place. In order to solve a problem without facing any difficulty, you should follow these 4 steps. First, read the problem 3 times, because if you read it only once, you may not understand it. Second, circle or draw the information. This means you circle the numbers in the problem, and if you want, you can represent it through drawing. Third, read and analyze the question that usually starts with how many. And finally, write the equation in